Now, what is it? What are you doing?
No, you put it on you. Let me roll it up for you. Here you go, Riley. But don't lick it. Don't eat it. Because it's name. Now what's this lipstick? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Can't have some. Get it now. Oh, sorry, Riley. Sorry. Stay there. Give Nana back her lipstick. Put it on and give her back it.
Nope. You gotta leave it here. Look at me. Say
Don't
cheese.
Pull my shirt.
Please.
Don't pull my shirt.
Please.
Don't pull my shirt.
Please. Look how sweet.